Right, welcome. This is a video series on how to make money on this freelance marketplace called Legiit. And you get to learn it from me, someone who's actually done it before. I've sold around 500K in services on Legiit, so I know exactly how to do it and how you can do it as well. And in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this platform. There's just one thing, and I want to be fully transparent with you. I have been banned from this platform because I created my own marketplace. It's called Vetted with 3 T's, and we take 0% in fees. We focus on a more higher end or premium type of freelancer. So if you are a more seasoned and experienced freelancer, make sure to join on this link right here. I'd love to have you on. But if you're just starting freelancing, sites like Fiverr and Legiit work fine. Again, Vetted is more for a premium type of freelancer, both freelancer and client. The services are more high-end and the platform as a whole is more premium and bespoke. And just to end this intro, anything you learn with this video can be applied on Vetted or any other marketplace. So my goal with this is that you watch the videos and then actually go implement what you learned, ideally on Vetted, or you can do it on any other marketplace. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
In this video, I want to go over brand expansion and get you to think beyond the platform. Why? Because you never want to be fully dependent on a marketplace, and I'll go into that in just a second. And how can we do this? Through brand building tactics like email marketing, community building, and social media. So why should you never be 100% dependent on the marketplace? And you can do it, and you can be successful with it, but it's a lot harder. Because if you're stuck, say, in this box that is the platform, and you're here selling your services, you're only capturing the people and capturing sales from people inside the platform. What about all of these people outside the platform that want to know about your services and want to buy your services? How can you capture these people as well? And that's what you need to do. Because say one day, for example, the platform gets hacked or you get banned, or for some reason you stop selling on the platform. Let's hope that doesn't happen, but let's say for some reason that happens. You want to have a backup plan. So you want to have a backup plan, and also you want to, while you're inside the platform, benefit from all these people that don't know you, that are outside of the platform, and you want to bring them in to your bubble, okay? So how can you do this? And I'll show you here an example. So my brand, and I can go here to my profile, and I have several touch points where people can reach my brand. One of them is here, for example. They can click here to go to the Facebook group and here to the YouTube channel. But this is the marketplace, okay? What I do is I send people from the marketplace, and I'll have a video just on the things you can do to send people to your brand. So you can use again this touch point right here. You can message people. You can, on your delivery message, have a link to your groups, on your reviews. But we'll go over all of this once we reach that video. So again, this is the marketplace. What you want to do is you want to send people to your brand. This is my example. I send people to my Facebook group, and I send people to my website, because this is my brand name right here, connect.co, and I send people to my YouTube channel, okay? And all these are interconnected. So on the Facebook group, I make posts about the services I sell on the marketplace, and so people go from the Facebook group to the marketplace again. And on the Facebook group again, I link to my website. On my website, I link to my Facebook group. I also have posts on the Facebook group about about videos I post on YouTube. And on YouTube, I also have, if you click the About This Channel button, you can click the icon, which is right here, I think, yeah, right here, to go back to the Facebook group. All of these are interlinked. And of course, in the video descriptions, I also link to the marketplace, any services I talk about in the videos, and I also link to the Facebook group and to my website. So all of this is interlinked. So the goal of building all of these is that once you've built all of this brand, if anything happens, you are safe. So say tomorrow you don't have a marketplace to rely on. You have all of these customers you've collected in a Facebook group. You have all of these people on your website, which you collected through an email list. You have all of these subscribers and viewers that trust you and like your services. So your income doesn't disappear from day to night. So this is how you can somewhat assure you're safe if you're working on a marketplace. Again, you have all of this leverage now. You're not entirely dependent on the platform. That if it closes tomorrow or increases fees or anything else, it won't damage your business. Or at least you can mitigate these damages. And this is the main reason why you should do it. Of course, you make more money, but that's not the main reason. You make more money because people organically reach your YouTube channel or your Facebook group, and if all of these are connected to your marketplace, you'll eventually get more sales. But that's not the main goal. The main goal is to not be fully dependent on the marketplace. In case it disappears tomorrow, you'll have a net to fall back on, a plan B of sorts. Now, if we go here, let's say this is your brand. Okay, so you have community, let's say this is your Facebook group. You have socials, let's say this is your Instagram, your YouTube, whatever you post your videos or your content on. It can be Twitter, whatever. Let's say you have your email list, which you build out with your website or through any other ways. Like I show you, all these are interconnected. So both the community, the socials, and the email list are all interconnected. You can send out emails from people you've gathered their email on their website to new videos you upload to YouTube. You can do the same for Facebook posts. So this is your box brand. And you get people into your box brand through the marketplace. Again, we'll have a video on how to actually do this step right here, because there's a bunch of stuff you can do just right here to optimize and send as many people to your brand box as possible. So that's how you're building your brand. It's through the help of the marketplace. And then of course the brand will grow itself organically through brand discovery. So people finding your services or your content online will help you grow your brand and of course send more people to the marketplace and the services you're selling there. So this goes both ways. And of course that you are not funneling people outside of the marketplace. You're not. You're just having a plan B and you're just building more of a brand for yourself so you can get more people in your brand organically, which then in turn will grow to your marketplace and get you more sales. So you're not going through here, you're going through here. Okay, like I said, it's the same as this one on top. Okay, now the socials, like I said, are your YouTube channel where you can teach, your TikTok, your Instagram where you can show pictures of projects you've worked on, your portfolio, Pinterest, whatever. All of these are your socials, which again link to your marketplace. So all this is interconnected, just like I showed you here, just like how I do it. And there's a bunch of other people doing this. For example, one person doing this the best way is Chris. Let me see if I can find it. And Nixon as well. Let me see if I can find Chris. So Chris is linking to his YouTube channel and to his Facebook group, which has over 70k members. Okay, so not actually linking to his Facebook group, but I think his Facebook group has like 70 or 60k members. Yeah, this one right here. No, sorry, this is the business. Yeah, whatever. But basically, he's linking out to his YouTube and building organic traffic. Again, people that come across his channel can go to his profile or through his other socials or through the videos you watch. Have links in the description to again send them to the marketplace. But yeah, this is someone that's doing it a great way. Nixon as well, I think he has a link to his Facebook group right here, where he can gather people, has almost 2k members, where he posts services he's doing, case studies, whatever. All of these again makes it so you are linking from your brand to the marketplace again. So it's like a flywheel. Now I want to talk a bit about emails. So you can build an email list. You can ask people on here on your Facebook group to send them your email. You can have an opt-in here on your website. You can have it in the Facebook group, whatever. This is not a tutorial on how to build an email list, but if you have an email list of the clients you work with, here are the benefits. So you can send an email whenever you want. Okay, you own that list. Or you can make a post on Facebook whenever you want. Or you can post a video on YouTube whenever you want to all of these people and to all of these people. Okay, so you own in brackets these people. You can market them whenever you want. Again, socials bring in organic traffic, so the organic traffic comes into your socials, which again bring you more sales because people will be redirected to the marketplace. An example of this is me right here. So last week or a couple of days ago, I posted a video on how to get an SSL certificate for free. This video actually had the link in the description to a service on Legiit. So I got a commission from anyone that actually purchased that service. So all this is interconnected and all links back to the marketplace. And finally, community, you're growing your brand and you're creating trust within the people that find you an authority in your niche. This can be achieved through creating a community in Facebook, for example, or Discord or wherever you use to build your community. And remember, of course, community, socials, and email lists are all interlinked, just like I showed you here in my example and here in a more theoretical way. Now, here's an example of how you'd send an email, for example. Email one would be something teaching, for example, let's say you are a graphic designer. You teach about what's your concept on how you come up with the concepts for the logos you design. And you can have a small pitch, and by small pitch I mean just a link to the service you mentioned in the video. If you don't mention any service in the video, just a casual link to your profile where people can learn more. Or even not to your services, you can link to other people's services and get commission out of them. Then linking out to your social media and community links. Then again, second email could be the exact same. Third email could be the exact same. And the final email could be a value plus sell. So a video or an email on selling. So for example, a case study, and then if you want to get similar results, boom, buy this service. So small pitch, sell. And with all of these small pitches, you are also getting some sales because again, you're leaving a link to your services, or you're leaving a link to someone else's service, or you're linking to your social media, and then on your social media you have a post talking about one of your services, and people go to this email, they don't click the small pitch link, but they go to the social media, then they see the post, they like it, and then they buy something. So all these will get you some small sales. So all these emails you're sending are valuable. And then the final one, if it is actually a sell email, will get you the most value out of the people. So again, you're sending all these people back to the marketplace, but you're building a valuable email list where you can pitch people your services. So you are building a brand, and at the same time, you're sending people to your profile. You're getting sales without selling. These 3 emails is basically you getting sales without selling, because right here, you're not selling anything. If you have something, it's a small pitch, but ideally, you're not selling anything. You're just providing value. And that's what I do, for example. I usually send out an email every week with some SEO tutorial, and in that tutorial, I'll explain how to do a link building or whatever it is. And sometimes I don't even have links to my profile. Sometimes I have, most of the times I have, of course, but most of the times I don't even push for the sell. But I still get sales because all these emails, because they're valuable to your audience, they'll get you some sales. So you're getting sales without selling. And you're teaching your craft or sharing information in your niche, so people will see you as an authority, so they're much more likely to buy from you in the future. And that's it. So you're teaching your craft, you're sharing information in your niche, meaning that people will see you as an authority, meaning that you'll make more money. And that's the goal for these marketplaces. So that's it in regards to when I say you should not be 100% dependent on the platform, not just because tomorrow you can be banned, not just because that's not the main reason. The main reason is because you want to build a brand that expands beyond the marketplace so you can get more sales, because all this that you're building, all these emails, all these YouTube channels with videos, all your website, your group, the effort you're putting into this will make people go back to the marketplace where you sell your services and get you more sales. So that's the main reason why you're building a brand. And that's how you do it. Through email, social media, and building a community. And this will make you an authority in your niche and make people want to buy and learn from you. Again, this is an extremely important video. I'd say maybe 1% of people on Legiit do it, and more people should actually be doing it. For example, we can go to, let's go to again to graphic and design, logo design. This guy right here, I'm not sure if he's selling a course or whatever, but if he knows how to design logos, he should have videos on YouTube about it. So he doesn't have it. He doesn't have a brand. So his brand is stuck on the marketplace bubble. So like I drew here. So his brand is stuck on the platform, on the marketplace. If he does know how to design logos, he can make videos on how he comes up with the concept, what colors combine with each other. So basically anything related to logo design and so anything basically related with logo design, he could build a brand on top of it. Then we'll of course, bring people back to the platform like we see here. So all these brands you're building are bringing people back to the marketplace, which in turn will get you more sales. And again, the goal of this video is to get you more sales. And I can guarantee you that if you do what I'm saying here, if you build a brand and don't be 100% reliable on the platform, you will 100% get more sales. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.